Hello everybody, it's the Naughty Investor here. So Robinhood, the popular stock investing and cryptocurrency app, is getting sued by the SEC, or getting fined rather, for 65 million US dollars. Okay, now Robinhood has not yet commented on the SEC's allegations, but they are going to have to be paying 65 million US dollars, and they have agreed to do it. So they're not even fighting back. They just outright agreed. The SEC charged Robinhood with deceiving customers about how the stock trading app makes money in failing to deliver the promised best execution of trade. So let's talk about this. I use Robinhood. How does Robinhood make money? Well, Robinhood, of course, does commission-free trading, which is very good in my opinion. This is not financial advice for people just starting off in investing or people who are not using a ton of money. What do I mean by this? Well, if you're using like an E-Trade or one of the other more popular, trading softwares, typically, you're going to be paying between $4 and $5 per trade. Okay, now $4 and $5 per trade. If you're just starting off, let's say you're working with $1,000, that could add up, right? That could add up quite a bit. And what Robinhood did was they said we're going to do commission-free trading. However, there is a small catch to that. Robinhood is not giving you the best price on these stocks. So stocks, there is a little bit, not as much as like smaller markets, but stocks, there is a little bit of a price differential where a stock might be, priced a little bit higher on Robinhood. Now, how much higher is, I've heard conflicting arguments. Some, people have said it's about as high as 5%. Now, if that is true, that actually is kind of significant, but I'm not sure what I'd rather pay. Would I rather buy a stock for a couple percent more, or would I rather just pay the $5, out of pocket for the trade itself? I think it really depends with how much money you're working with. Obviously, if you're doing tens of thousands of dollars in buying and selling, you're not going to be worried too much about $5, right? But if you're, starting off with a few hundred, a couple thousand, then that $5 per trade might add up. Now, we don't know how much they're actually, how much it's actually costing people to have this, right? But overall, I do think Robinhood, I still think they're a great app, but I do think they need to be a little bit clearer with investors about how they're making money. So Robinhood provided misleading information to customers about the true cost of choosing to trade with the firm, said the director of the SEC's enforcement division. Brokerage firms cannot mislead customers about order execution quality. So essentially, what is going on is Robinhood is using like discount brokers and not getting the best quality of prices for when people are making investments and trades. The complaint cites Robinhood's aggressive tactics to attract inexperienced investors, its use of gamification strategies to manipulate customers, and its failure to prevent frequent outages and disruptions on its trading platform. Now, a couple of these I agree with, a couple of these I don't agree with. So the aggressive tactics to attract inexperienced investors, that's BS. They're a company. Their job is to get people on their app. Plain and simple. If someone chooses to go on their app, whether they're misled or whatever, they chose to do it, right? It's on their accord. And Robinhood is not forcing you to trade with them. Okay, so I think it's kind of BS. But its use of gamification strategies to manipulate customers and its failure to prevent frequent outages. Now, this last part is probably the most significant in my opinion. Failure to prevent frequent outages and disruptions on a trading platform. If you're trading and the app goes down and now you can't make a sell, right? It's at a high, that's costing you money. That has to be fixed. Even Coinbase, the cryptocurrency app, has issues with that. That needs to be fixed. That, to me, is probably the most significant part of this whole thing. I do want to see more data coming out about how much of a price differential there is between Robinhood and going with a different trader, because that can determine whether or not it's smart to make a switch. But overall, I do think this is a mixed bag at most, because a couple things I agree with, a couple things I don't. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you use Robinhood? Do you not use it? Are you supportive of the SEC, or are you more pro Robinhood? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.
Inbox Dollars allows you to earn extra money doing paid surveys in your spare time. Use my link below in the description and you will earn a $5 bonus for sign up. Do not miss out and be sure to use my link.